Okay, let's see what we got in our mountain of pile here. It's not dropping for some reason, it keeps growing. So, anyway, here's some stuff I just picked up. This wasn't eBay, but it was trading shop junk. So this is some kind of a custom oil tank, hanger down style. So this one hangs off the top mounts here. They have little solid frame mounts on top, like this kind of biscuit mount type stuff usually. And it looks like they had a battery. You stick it here in an angle to get in there nice and tight. Give you a low seat. It's a lot thinner than a regular tank too. It's pretty thin. This is obviously triangle shaped. So anybody need an oil tank, I can get you a good deal on one. Back in the day, that's probably a $500 part. Here, it's white on it now. But, don't know who made this, but yeah, 90s, and it's not around anymore. Parts are cheap. And this one here would be even more money to do. This under the frame model. This off a, I think he said a Big Dog or some kind of a Daytech custom deal. Probably it's the Big Dog stuff. This thing's heavy. So this one hangs off the bottom frame rail. The frame rails will be going right between it usually, and it hangs right between it. And so this is when you get a custom bike, you got this crap going on. But I'm not a big fan of these oil tanks. These things have low oil pressure. The only thing that's good about these is the bike won't wet sump, because if it has to go from here to there, obviously it's not going to drain into the motor. This will not drain into that. So that's the only advantage of this tank. Other than that, it's all negatives. Yeah, so anyway, it looks pretty nice shape. It's a good job, good quality. Just horrible design. Functional design, not cosmetic design. So this one here is not quite as pleasing looking as this one, but it's a lot more functional at least. It's up where you can use it. You know, they're actually trying to get the battery in there out of the way. So if you got a sealed battery, you can put it there in an angle. It's not an issue. So anyway, just custom stuff here going on. You could probably put this in a Sportster or a Big Twin, but obviously on Sportster you got a problem with oil feed right here, so you got to make sure it's high enough up that the chain won't hit it. But probably, I'm sure it's made for a Big Twin where the chain would be on this side. But anyway, it's you know, if you got something custom, not too bad. Looks like it takes a special screw-in plug. That's looks like a big pipe thread, pretty coarse thread. This here might not be recommended for use. It might lead to oil leakage if you use that for a plug. This one here looks a lot nicer, some kind of screw-in thing. Yep, probably the same plug that goes in that one. About the same size, pipe thread. Yeah, nice machining. So it's a good quality tank. It's expensive. You know, look at the welds in there. Look at the cut. That's a nice precision cut hole. It's not just cut with a damn torch. Nice. Good. Dirty oil in there still, looks like. Yeah. Yeah, this stuff's good for show bikes. It's not very good for everything else in the world. If you put up really up high on a bike, it'd work all right. Down low, not so good. All right, well, there you go. A couple custom tanks. Weird stuff. All right.